get me underway. Fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be installing this hair that Wiggins hair has sent over to me, y'all. This hair is the bomb. It's really good. Like, it's soft, y'all. This hair lasted so long. Like, I had this wig installed for so long. Like, Wiggins hair did they thing with this wig, y'all. Go purchase this. All the information will be in the description box down below.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us. About you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. Better throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. I got too many hoes. Shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us. About you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. Better throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. House. Just. you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were to, then you could manage, yeah. Oh, we could be honest, closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done, this moment will be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of.
holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry. Missing my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage.
Bow, bow, bow to me, drop down to your knees. Young money, the mafia, that's where the love sees. I'm in the Dominican, Big Papi Ortiz, doing target practice, all these songs, just aiming to please. Shout out to the CEO, 500 degrees. Shout out to the OVO, Red Wings and Fatigues. Wanna be friends, how coincidental. This supposed to be our year, we ain't get the memo. A young king, pay me a gold. 40 got a bunch of he ain't even. These be dropping songs, they ain't even cold. Weezy on top of that, ain't even home yet. Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Get me and Nicki getting married today. And now you that be hating, you catch a bouquet. Ooh, yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of five. Are we drinking a little more? I can hardly decide. I can't believe we really made it, I'm probably surprised. I swear.
Oh, baby, I'm calling. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. 'Cause with me, you could do damage.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do damage. You could do damage. Oh, you could do damage. Do damage. I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. Put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home, if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, 24 hours. Lately I've been thinking about us, about you as real as they come. But you would rather I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you a lady, but at home,
Then dip me underway. Fill my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry.
Thank y'all for watching this video. I want to thank Wiggins hair for sponsoring this video, and I love this hair, y'all. This hair is it's amazing. It's gonna grow up. But yeah, all the information about this hair will be in the description box down below. And see you another time.